All right. So welcome once again. This video is going to be about projection. All right. I'm going to estimate and just try to project where EURNZD is likely to reach in the next few years. Okay. All right. So it's going to be a long-term analysis. Let's jump into it. All right. So you see, looking at this particular pair, right? The first thing that we can anticipate is a sweep of this particular high. Okay. I think that's this. We are on the yearly chart. So one, two, three, four, five, let's say 6 month high from January. Okay. So one, two, three, four, 5 month high from January. So I expect it to take this. And I've been talking about this thing for a long time, long, since let's say 2 or 3 years ago. All right. So now we expect it to take this into where? So I see this, right? And I see this. Okay. So we have a QM. You have a QMC. All right, so we have a continuation QMC. Price has broken structure here, the downside, and now we're having a pullback. So this is going to be a first wave, a second wave, and a third wave. So I expect to see price at least next year to take this. Okay, to take this one, to take this particular high into maybe somewhere around this level, hit this level, then we have another drop. Okay, another drop to the downside like this. Okay, so this is my expectation. All right, but how do you capitalize on these particular expectations is the issue now. Now I'll go back to the chart. So at least we are not looking at this, but we are looking at this high. All right, so we're on the daily, on the yearly chart. So I'll go to monthly chart and explain to you why have been expecting price to reach this level, right? Look here. So we have a QMC again here. Okay. So price hit this level. I don't know what is there. Let me check. Okay. So that's an all-time low. Hit the all-time low. Create an engulfing, right? Touches the engulfing, goes up, and then create a QMC. So we have a low, a high, a lower low. Opposite, you have a base and a high, right? So price goes up. So this is what you see. A low, a high, a lower low, a higher high. Opposite this, we have a base. So we can draw this line like this. Okay. So this base becomes our entry point. This kind of becomes our entry point. So we mark this level. So for the QMC rule, when price pulls back into the QMC zone, okay, to your buy zone, your target is going to be this. It has to take this high. It would definitely take this high. It took a long time because price was just working around this candle, this engulfing, right? We worked around this engulfing, touched it several times, okay? So I expect this one to break. Now, where do I expect to see to take advantage of this move that is going up to here? How many pips? Check. Okay. From here to here, you are looking about 200 and something pips, okay? Or 2000 pips. Okay. So we are looking at this particular move. Now, where do I come in? How do we take advantage of this? Look at this beauty. SNLC2, high, low, okay? Price closes below the resistance, and then boom, we have SNLC2. So when price comes back to this zone, okay, when it comes back to this zone, maybe if there's confirmation price is coming back to this zone, I'll buy here. Okay, I'll buy here. Still can pull the trend line. Can pull the trend line. Okay, so this is going to be a good deal, right? So this is my expectation. My expectation and my projection is that price should come back onto this SNLC2 long term, find an entry here. So This is a weekly. So I expect to see price touch this level, create a daily engulfing, and then from the daily engulfing, we can start buying, okay, and targeting this zone and targeting this high. All right, thank you. So I'll do more of this for next year. I'll look at different pairs and then project. This is the clearest one. This is the clearest direction I've gotten so far upon looking at the chart. So EURNZD is going to be sweet. Just that the spread is usually big on some of the brokers. All right, thank you. Bye bye.